Imagine opening your banking app, and instead of feeling in control, you feel confused. Checking account, savings account, emergency fund, vacation fund, car fund, old bank account. You have 7 different places where your money lives, but somehow you still don't know where your money went. You don't necessarily need more financial accounts. You need a financial system. Point 1 account handles your daily life. 1 protects your future, and 1 builds your long-term wealth. Meet Daniel. Daniel earns a decent income, but every month the same thing happens. His paycheck arrives. He pays some bills, buys groceries, uses his credit card. Then something unexpected happens. Car repair, a medical bill, and suddenly the money he thought he saved is gone. Your income is the cars. Your financial system is the road network. You don't need more cars first. You need better roads. Account number 1 is your operating account. Your paycheck enters here. Your regular bills leave here. But here's the critical rule. This account is not designed to make you rich. It's designed to keep your financial life running. Don't leave every extra dollar sitting here. The magic begins on payday. Account number 2 is your safety account. Its job is simple. Protect you from financial surprises. You can organize multiple goals inside one central savings system. A car repair is annoying. But with a safety fund, it doesn't have to become a debt problem. That's the difference between being prepared and being lucky. Account number 3 is your long-term wealth account. This is where long-term investing happens. Money you need soon shouldn't be treated the same as money you won't need for decades. You're giving time, consistency, and compounding a chance to work together. You don't need to become a professional investor. Now let's build the payday pipeline. Your paycheck arrives in account 1. Then automatic transfers happen. Money moves into safety. Another transfer moves into long-term wealth. As a simple example, you might think about 70% for living expenses, 10% for savings, and 20% for investing. The percentages are not the system. The automatic direction is the system. Your wealth-building money should move away before your lifestyle gets a chance to claim it. Let's say Daniel gets a $500 monthly raise. New lifestyle expenses appear, and suddenly the extra money is gone. Instead, split the increase before you spend it. A raise can make your life more expensive, or it can make your future more secure. Now let's talk about the 10-minute monthly money check. Is your operating account healthy? Did your transfers happen? Are your goals on track? That's it. 10 minutes. Once a month. A good financial system should feel boring, predictable, and automatic, because boring systems are often the ones that survive. But what if 3 accounts feel too simple? You can have many financial goals without needing many bank accounts. Your goal should be visibility, not complexity. What about debt? If you have high-interest debt, your priorities may need to shift. The accounts are the containers. Your financial priorities are what change. Here's the question you should ask before deciding where money belongs. When will I need it? Your emergency fund has a short clock. Your retirement money has a very long clock. Once you understand the timeline, financial decisions become much easier. The goal isn't to create 3 accounts. The goal is to create a system that still works 10 years from now. Imagine Daniel 10 years from now. He didn't become a financial genius. He simply built a system and kept feeding it. The real wealth-building advantage isn't one massive decision. It's hundreds of small decisions you stop having to make. That's the power of automation. The first month may feel exciting. The first year may feel slow. But eventually, the system becomes invisible. The best money system is the one you can still follow when motivation disappears. Here's your action plan. Choose your operating account. Choose your safety account. Choose your long-term wealth account. Then set the pipeline. Paycheck arrives. Bills are handled. Savings and investments happen automatically. Your system keeps moving even when you forget about it. Spend, protect, grow. 3 jobs. 1 direction. Automated. But knowing where your money should go is only half the battle. The next question is exactly how much should go where. Subscribe to Infinite Cash Vision, and I'll break down the complete paycheck allocation system. And tell me in the comments, how many bank accounts do you currently have?